Hi guys, this is my 8th dog time or 9th dog time. Cause there she is. Okay, for now I had a boat in here, which keeps disappearing. For some reason, though they're drowning. Don't turn. Over here drowning. It's drowning over here. The boat I made for is drowning. Just drowning, guys. Just drowning. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. We'll go to the other side and look at that. Okay, don't blame this on me, but I'm going. Ah, shit. Jeez. I put them taking out of the water. So this is the crazy boat I was talking about that I just got out of the water. Shoot, water. It's got my sock wet. So here is my dog. This dog really likes it. This. I'm actually just gonna go put it back in the water to see if it's real. So if my dog goes in the pool, it will have a water pool. I have a toy for the water. Yeah. No, be free. Oh shoot, that bounce. That'll balance. I shot out of balance because my dog. This guy made me go on, man. See that? I want that toy back. You're not gonna get it back home. Oh jeez, it's really actually drowning. It's bursted. There goes my boat bursting. My boat bursted. Just gonna spoil my Dodge. What the heck is it doing? What are you doing?